Okay. Okay, now it's on. Don't hit any other button until I tell you.
I won't.
Okay, can you see me?
Yeah, briefly, and you're gone.
Alright, good. Now, this is what happens when you fuck around with bombs.
Oh, that's not scary. Oh.
No, point.
Wow. Sweet. It went.
I know, here. Now come over here with the light so I can see if that stayed in.
That's what she said. Lots of cow shit. Lots and lots of cow shit.
Dude, it's perfect.
What? Told you.
Fuck with that shit.
That's how we roll, dude. Alright, you want to bring this one back to here?
Yeah, right up here. And I got another one in me. Are you still video cameraing?
I am, definitely.
Alright, for sure.
Oh, sweet, dude. I love the zoom.
I know, isn't it awesome?
It is in like the perfect spot. I'm
that
getting
whole
away.
camera is made the perfect way. Come here.
I can see you. I'll zoom in.
Don't zoom in. Zoom out.
Yeah, I just did.
And as soon as it shoots, go up. Follow that bitch.
That's really loud.
It is.
Here, let me light one while holding the camera. Oh, I feel like the badass. Don't worry, I'll
You're not gonna drive it. I'll get it all set up. You just light it.
Okay.
Because I don't want you to fall face forward, turn around, and hit my camera.
Yeah, don't worry about the firework exploding.
No, I don't. Oh. Gosh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Sweet.
Oh, there's one in there. Okay.
Okay.
I forgot I had one in there.
I like it.
Okay. There you go. Here, well, let me. Before you do that, let me put another one in here. Just get it ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Fucking.
I got it. Come here. Lights. Video camera on it.
I got it. Yeah, I got it. Fine.
Boom.
Yeah.
My turn. Want to see something funny?
Idiot.
Oh!
Nice.
Got one more in my jacket. You want to light this one?
Nah.
Nah.
I'll let you risk it.
Alright, I'm going to stand right over it till it goes off.
Alright. If you get shot in the face, though, not taking you
like a bitch, dude. I've had someone point one at me.
Not taking you to the hospital.
I saw a guy like this and light it, and it's like, boom! Shot it, backfired on him.
Sweet.
I bet that hurt like a bitch.
You want to do it?
No, hell no.
I will light one off your crotch if you lay down.
Do what?
I'll light one off your crotch if you lay down.
No. Here, hold on.
You'll probably be deaf.
Whoa! Fuck!
Shit! It's sideways.
Dude! Ah!
Oh shit.
Holy shit!
Stop it!
Holy fuck!
Hey, put your jacket on it.
Oh my god! Everyone is.
Get the water.
What water? There's no water out here.
This?
No. Okay. Yeah, here, let's do this. Get the big part.
Oh,
Turn the video camera off.
I can't. My hands are occupied. That's hot. Don't worry, dude, it's under control.
No, it's not. It's on fire.
Shit.
Dude, it's catching wind blow. Fuck. Give me some tape. Don't make it far out. Get on the main one.
I am. No, it's not. Call the fire truck.
Call him what?
Huh?
Another fire truck out here.
Shit.
Dude, we are total beasts.
Shut up, dude. I'm on fire.
Huh?
Oh. Get a water hose.
I can't. There's none out here.
Oh.
No water hose reaches this far.
Don't worry, we beat it.
Get the edge.
So I'm doing.
I don't care if it burns in the middle. Just don't let it burn far out. As soon as we get all the edges through, we'll go get some water.
I can't breathe.
Oh my God. Is the video camera still on?
It is. You're welcome.
Oh great.
I'm in so much pain right now. I got just melted my shoe actually.
Use all that shit.
Oh, I love you.
Isn't this great?
That was fun.
Don't stand there, dude. Oh my God, it lit right by your foot.
I'm really burnt. Like seriously.
You really catch on fire?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. My ankles, dude. They're like all burnt up.
You got my phone still?
Yeah, right underneath it.
Damn.
I fell everything.
That's you.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking fire, bitch.
Oh.
Wow!
Oh.
Oh, wow!
I have so much shit in my hand right now. It hurts really bad.
How did you fall?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I got the camera.
Oh. I think it's glass.
Probably.
Thanks.
Sorry.
It looks like glass. Whatever. Let's go. Let's light another one.
Oh my God. Yeah, let's light another one.
Next time, let's not be stupid though.
Yeah, let's not knock that over.
Firework safety. 101. I really want to watch that video.
I don't want to be a firefighter now.
Dude, watch the video before we light another one.
Oh yeah, no, we're totally firefighters, dude. We ought to be like honorary firefighters.
I'm in pain.
I'll throw my jacket off somewhere. Hold on. It's right there, I think.
There's such a big black mark in your field.
Oh, I know.
Well, now I don't need a jacket. I'm kind of warm.
Yeah, no kidding. Dude, my jacket literally is right on the edge.
Nice. Dude, do you see me tripping off?
No?
Dude, just watch the video. It's so funny.
Okay.
All you hear is...